Well, you don't see him much on the big screen anymore, and kids don't ride along with Roy or Gene. And that ain't really him, with all those feathers in his hat and some Frenchman's name embroidered on his jeans. But he's still out there riding fences, still makes his living with his rope. As long as there's a sunset, he'll keep riding for the brand. You just can't see him from the road. Well, he never learned a two-step. Hell, he barely learned to walk. But he's worn a lot of leather off the tree. He's had one or two good horses that he counts among his friends. He never drew a breath that wasn't free. But he's still out there riding fences, still makes his living with his rope. As long as there's a sunset, he'll keep riding for the brand. You just can't see him from the road. Well, he's tall in the saddle and short on the cash, the last to quit, the first to buy the beer. Well, he's a knight in leather armor, still living by the code that's made him what he's been 100 years. And he's still out there riding fences, still makes his living with his rope. As long as there's a sunset, he'll keep riding for the brand. You just can't see him from the road. As long as there's a sunset, he'll keep riding for the brand. You just can't see him from the road.
Misty sunrise in my hometown, rows of cotton about knee-high. Mrs. Baker down the dirt road, still got clothes out on the line. Irwin Nichols there with Judge Lee, playing checkers at the gin. When I dream about the Southland, this is where it all begins. From Carolina down to Georgia, smell the jasmine and magnolia. Sleepy sweet home, Alabama, roll tide, roll. Muddy water, Mississippi, blessed Graceland whispers to me. Carry on, sweet southern comfort, carry on. Catching catfish on the river, chasing fireflies by the creek, kissing Gary Williams' sister on the porch homecoming week, with rusty cars and weeping willows, keeping watch out in the yard. Just a snapshot of down home Dixie, could be anywhere you are, in Carolina or in Georgia. Open arms are waiting for you. Louisiana, Yellow Rose of San Antone. Arkansas, Mississippi, Old Man River whispers to me. Carry on, sweet southern comfort, carry on. As I sit here, I'm surrounded by these priceless memories. I don't have to think about it. There's no place I'd rather be than Carolina or in Georgia. Smell the jasmine and magnolia. Sleepy sweet home, Alabama. Roll Tide, roll. Muddy water, Mississippi. Blessed Graceland whispers to me. Carry on, sweet southern comfort. Carry on, sweet southern comfort. Carry on. Yeah!